Hello my people, welcome to Glatory. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this pizza base. This is so easy, you can do it. You don't need to buy it from the market. Here I'm using 1 kg of flour, sugar, salt, instant yeast, oregano, and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'll be mixing all to combine. I'll be adding my warm water. Please always use warm water when you're mixing your dough for pizza. I'll be mixing it with my warm water to form the dough. Please add the water bit by bit. Add when needed. And see, my dough is already forming. If today is your first time seeing my video, remember to subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment and share. I'll be greasing my bowl to set my dough to double in size. I'll be covering it with my foil. I will set it aside so that it will double in size. Here you can see it's already doubled. So remember to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time seeing my video. Always like my video and always share, comment and share. It has a long way encouraging me on this journey. You can see the dough is already well formed. When I touch it, you see it bounces back. That's to show me it's ready. I'm using my foil tray. I'm using 30 cm foil tray to make my base. If you can roll it, that's fine, but I prefer to use this method because it makes it easier for me and also faster. So all I need to do is to press down and mash it and make them to cover the whole space in the pan. You can see it's all done. My base is done. Here I'm using my fork to just to poke on it to make the little holes on it. As you can see already, I got like 3 or 4 trays. So I'll be baking them on the oven for 5 minutes. You can see it's all ready. It's ready for your pizza toppings. So if you want to make your pizza now, it's ready. Your base is ready. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Hope you will get to try it. Bye.
Okay.